There is a really broad scale when it comes to faith community websites. I mean, some faith communities still don't have a website, like even now, 2022, believe it or not. Others, they have a website, but it's just bare bones. Others, anything you want to know is there. This is a very big range. Is it possible for us to share the one thing we think every church needs to know about a website, understanding that it's a very broad spectrum of church website ability? The answer is yes, we can, actually. No matter where your church falls on the scale of having a church website, there's one thing everybody needs to know, and that is that it is mostly for visitors and guests. Sure, your committed regular attendees may jump on your community website from time to time to grab a piece of information, but the majority of the people visiting your church website, they're going to be people visiting it for the very first time. They're people who have never been to your faith community or attended anything online or offline, but they're considering it. They're people who have thought about trying you out but want to get the lay of the land first. Maybe they're people who have heard a few things about your faith community, but they want to get a feel for themselves. Can they see themselves worshiping there or participating in your activities? Can they even figure out when worship is? Can they understand how to get there? Do they know if they are welcome if they have children, or if they are in the LGBTQIA+ community, or if they don't want to dress professionally on a Sunday morning? These people are coming to your website with so many questions. They need to be shown quickly and efficiently who you are, how they can connect with who you are, and whether or not they will be a good fit in your community. Unfortunately, though they mean well, sometimes church website folks are more interested in getting the latest council minutes uploaded or the latest newsletter uploaded than they are making sure the answers to these questions are present and very, very clear on the homepage. There are so many things that start to change when you start focusing on new people visiting your website. You make all of these details clear and easy to find on your homepage. You add a welcome video introducing yourself. You include language about your welcome of LGBTQIA+ folks, if applicable. You might build out an I'm new here page. You might add information for how to contact people rather than just saying, if you're interested in this ministry, call Sandy. How? Email David. How? You include that. And of course, you make sure your social media links are accurate and updated so people can get more current information than your website might have. And really just so much more. Actually, because there's so much more, we have an entire module on this in our latest course, the Do-It-Yourself Digital Communications Review, which is still in pre-order mode if you are interested. The discount has decreased, so instead of 50% off, it is now 40% off, but it's still pretty good. You can pre-order it for just a little bit while longer. It won't be much longer, and then the price will go up again. If you're interested in learning more about what should be on your community website, some questions you might need to consider, some answers that we have for you, definitely download that today, pre-order that today at the link in the description below. The information on websites is just one of 7 modules all about digital communications. We talk about social media, video, identity, branding, direct communications. So definitely make use of that discount while you still can and get your website cleaned up before Easter 2022, because there's going to be so many new eyes on your community coming very shortly if they're not already here because of Lent. And of course, make sure to subscribe below for weekly free content from Digivangelism. I'm Sammy. Good to see you as always.